We're going to look at how to access a Newsela article through Canvas and interact with the assignment. So to begin with, you will go to your Canvas course. You will open up modules and you will select the assignment that has been created. So for this example, my assignment is Seals Help Scientists, my Newsela article. I'm going to click to open. Now, potentially there's two different views on this. The first is your article. It'll have your directions for the assignment, and there may be a link that says load, and then it'll have the assignment title, Newsela article in new window. If you see a button that says load with the assignment title, you will select that button to open a new window tab that will include your Newsela assignment. The other possibility is you may see the Newsela article embedded right on the Canvas assignment page. But for this example, we have the load button. So we're going to select load Seals Help Scientists Newsela article, and it will open a new tab. Once this new tab is open, I will see the assignment. So within here, it tells me the teacher, it tells me the class, what date it was assigned, and the instructions. Now, if the teacher included instructions within Newsela, they will show here. Otherwise, the instructions will show back on the Canvas page. So for this, I am going to then want to open the assignment. I am going to select Seals with High-Tech Hats, the assignment or article title. And once I have the article open, I am able to do a couple different things. One, I can have the article read aloud to me by selecting the Read Aloud button. If I'm reading through the article and I'm finding it a bit challenging, I can adjust the reading level. So by going up here at the top right, it says max currently, but I can adjust the reading level to what works for me as the student. So once that is done, here in the directions, it says I need to read the article. So I can read through the article. And then it says I need to complete the activities, power words, writing, quiz activities connected to the Newsela article. So if you're completing the built-in activities, you will see a tab over to the right labeled activities with a little arrow. If you click on that tab, it will open the activities up for you. So you will have, for example, if power words was one of the activities, you can go through and answer the responses. It'll give you the question. It will, for the power words, it gives you a question, and then it gives you 2 words to choose from. It'll tell you if you're correct. If it's incorrect, it will tell you that as well and show you the correct one. So I'm going to quickly go through these questions to show you what it does at the end and how it provides you with some feedback. As you notice, it's tallying my score under the title Power Words. It actually is tallying the total points you have earned. And after each question, you select check answer, and then continue to continue moving. Once you get through all of the questions, so in this case, there was 10 questions, you will get an overview of your results. Then I will select finish at the bottom of that overview. Takes me back to the activities page. So now the next activity I need to do is write. So here it will ask me to choose what class I want my written response submitted to. So if I look up here, this is the class at the top of the assignment, the article under the assignment. It says class Canvas 101 training course. So I want to make sure I select the same course. So I'm going to select there. I can read the writing prompt for this one. It says choose a problem and solutions described in the text. So I can start typing in the message or my response. In the response, I can even copy and paste evidence. So I can go copy. So I could possibly create a quote and then explain why that is important. And then I can submit my response once I have the total written response done. With this, once I've submitted my response, it shows the my confirmation. I can select the little blue arrow next to write to close the write activity, and then I can select quiz to complete this part. So the quiz, once again, has questions, multiple choice. I'm going to select my responses. I don't get immediate feedback on these ones. These responses are based off of what I read, checking my understanding of the content. And then after I've completed them, it gives me a kind of a summary of my response. And then I can actually look back at what questions I got wrong and what I should have answered. So I can review each question. Once I am completed with the activities, I could close the activity tab by selecting the X. If your teacher requests you to annotate or highlight this text, then when you click, so if I click on a sentence and highlight it, a little annotation box will come up. I can select a color to highlight, and then I could write something. What seals add placed on them? So maybe I wanted to make sure I remembered that it automatically saves. So it said saved here. I'm going to select saved again. So I confirm it. As you notice, it shows here. Then once I am done, I can actually close the Newsela tab, return to Canvas, and go back to my modules. My submission for my article is submitted. And that's a brief overview of how to use Canvas Newsela.